I'm Jocelyn Aspa with the Investing News Network. Joining me today is Jay Martin, President of Cambridge House. Thank you for joining me today, Jay.
Thank you for having me.
So the Cambridge House is hosting the Extraordinary Futures Conference on September 20th in Vancouver. How does this conference differ from the other Cambridge House conferences?
Well, it's focused on technology. A lot of people know us as a resource-based conference company, but we've been hosting the CanTech Investment Conference in Toronto for 5 years now, moving into our 5th year this year. And we've seen that audience grow. It's become Canada's largest technology investment conference. And we've seen the Vancouver audience that flies out for that show increase every year. And so we were waiting for the right time to bring that show to Vancouver, and that time's absolutely right now.
So what are your main goals for this conference?
They're twofold. We've got a great selection of tech in Canada, and our investor audience here in Vancouver wants access to those deals. So number one is to introduce Canadian tech to our investor population here in Vancouver. But the second is that we've got a very vibrant private tech community here in Vancouver. And the number one complaint that I hear from this sector is that it's very difficult to raise capital in Vancouver or in Canada in general. I don't necessarily agree with that. I've got exposure to companies all across Canada in various industries, and I see them raising cash, and I know that if these private companies of high quality who are open to the conversation about listing on a public exchange, there's lots of cash available for them. And so the second goal is to introduce the private tech sector to the public markets in Canada.
Okay, awesome. So this event will showcase companies and technologies that focus on industries like artificial intelligence, virtual and augmented reality, health technology, blockchain technology. So what makes you excited about these kinds of technologies?
Well, first of all, I mean, we picked our topics based on what the media is covering right now. So blockchain tech is making headlines every single day. The future of energy, we're calling it energy in the 21st century, again, making headlines every single day. Virtual and augmented reality is going to have a massive impact on our lives and specifically my business as a conference promoter. Artificial intelligence, inherently exciting. These are industries that will directly impact our lives in the near future, and that's why we chose these.
Okay. The event will also have a trade show, and companies will have the opportunity to have presentation time in the investor breakout rooms. So how should investors approach companies that they're interested in?
I would recommend they visit the main hall, listen to our keynote speakers. So we're hosting panels on all of these 7 topics, space exploration, the future of health tech, blockchain, et cetera, and get educated, find out where the opportunities are and where the risks are. Then visit the investor room. All the companies presenting or exhibiting on the show floor will be presenting in there as well. So you can hear their 10-minute pitch, find companies that you like, and then go visit them in the trade show. The best part about these conferences is that you can actually meet with the management teams who are spending your money. It's very important to do that.
Okay. Finally, is there anything else that you're excited about or that investors should know about for the upcoming conference?
Yeah, I mean, we've just got a great selection of companies. This is a very interactive show. So attendees, as per normal, when they come to a Cambridge House conference, they can walk up and down the aisles and meet with a variety of companies, their management teams, and ideally find some great opportunities. This show will be much more interactive than people have seen from us in the past. And what that means is that you'll have the opportunity to pop on some VR goggles, experience the products these companies are building, because each company on the floor at Extraordinary Future is solving a different problem in a different way or providing a different product for the market. And so there's a ton of variety, everything from battery tech through to gaming and lots of interactive displays. So come for the day. It's going to be fun. More than just investment advice and meetings. There's a lot of products to engage in. I'm looking forward to that.
Cool, awesome. Thanks so much for joining me today, Jay.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm Jocelyn Aspa with the Investing News Network.